Hello, my battery went. Now this is like 3 or 4 days later. I haven't got round. Last disc I was trying was Super Monaco Grand Prix. Let's try that. No, still nothing. I don't know if this will ever work again. I do need to open it up and have a look inside. I haven't had a chance to do that. But basically, this is what you get when you turn on the computer. I mean, the actual computer bit works, but the disk drive doesn't, because you need to insert a disk before you do anything. That's how they built it and designed it. I mean, I've even got like, you get like 3 discs come with it. Amiga Workbench Extras Basic, and maybe it's just 2 then. Oh yeah, the very first. I thought there was 3. The very first. I'll get the other ones out. Workbench 1.32. Can't even see a date on these. Oh yeah, 1988, there you go. Oh yeah, I see it now, 1988. Okay. So you get a built-in disk drive. And obviously something completely wrong. So I have to, don't know if they make these anymore or anybody out there can fix it. So the actual computer bit works, but extra 1.3 basic, I don't know. Anyway, so that's that. I would like to get this working again. You've seen my Spectrum Plus, you've seen my Sega Mega Drive, and now you've seen my Amiga A500. So thanks for watching. Bye.